broken mirrors. Yeah, so I'll just throw this away. But thank you so much for giving me this. But it's a mirror, so yeah, it's damaged, but it's okay. It's just the freebie. Important is that I have the actual packages. So yeah, so much for that. I will have a speed build of this, every one of them, and different videos here on my channel. No reviews, just a speed build and showing off, or a quick look of these things. After speed build, I will have a quick look immediately. Okay, so yeah, within one video only, not a separate one, because the other one will be on the box, the other one will be a show, or I will put them on the shelf, which they can see the finished product, so that they will have an outlook on what will be the kit will be, or the actual kit will be, if it is built already. Okay, yeah, so much for that. This is the building blocks that I've bought right here. So yeah, so much for that. So happy. So another content, then another merchandise that I can have on our store, which will be part of other conventions here in Negros Occidental, because we are, it falls, we are situated here. So yeah, so if you are, as my subscriber is from Negros Occidental, see you on Beacon on February 15 to 16. Yeah, I think it's only 1 week when I uploaded this video, or recorded, not uploaded, but recorded this video. So yeah, so these are your building blocks, and yeah, see you on the convention if I can see you. Yeah, so comment down there if you see me on the convention. So we are the J2D Arts and Prints, and we are on the booth M12. Yeah, very close to the entrance of the SMX convention on Bacolod City. Okay, yeah, on SM. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you like this kind of videos and contents, please consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to be informed for our next video. Okay, so again, speed build and then a immediate quick look for the kit. Okay, for the building blocks. I still have other one right here, which is like, are they Pokemon? Yeah, I forgot. But yeah, I don't know, but I will build them. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for watching. That's it. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jay Gulapa signing off, and Gulapa Show signing out. That's it. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out. Bye.